Where is the star, Shambhavi? Yes. Where does it go? Okay, that's the star. See? Star. What color is the star? Yellow, yes. It will go like this. Where is the square? Yes. Where does it go? Where the square will go? Yes. Good job. High five. This is how we can draw the square. Yay. Where is the pentagon? Yes, pentagon. What's the color, Shambhavi?
Pink.
Pink. Good job. How we can draw the pentagon?
Pink.
Pink pentagon. See, this is how we can draw pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentagon. Where is the hexagon? Yes. What's the color of hexagon? What's the color?
Papa.
Purple color hexagon. Yes. This is how we can draw hexagon. Triangle. Triangle. Yes. Triangle. Where does it go? Yes. Good job, Shambhavi.
Check. Baba.
That's the red triangle. This is the way we can draw a triangle. Where is the quarter foil? Good job, Shambhavi. Where does it go? Yes, good job. Good job, Shambhu. There's the quarter foil. A quarter foil. How we can draw the quarter foil? 1, 2, 3, and 4. The quarter foil. Rectangle. Yes, good job.
Wow.
The color?
Green.
Green. Where does it go in the clock? Where the rectangle goes? Yes, Shambhavi, good job. Draw a rectangle. Yes. Blue oval, where does it go? Good job, Shambhu.
7.
We can draw that way or that way. Where is the diamond, Shambhavi? Yes, where does it go? Yes, that's the diamond. Or diamond. Diamond. Where is the trapezoid? Yes, that's the trapezoid. Good job. How we can draw the trapezoid? 1, 2,
Mama.
3, 4.
Mama.
What is this, Shambhavi? parallelogram. Okay, this is the way we can draw a parallelogram. What is this, Shambhavi? Octagon. Octagon. And how we can draw an octagon? This is the way we can draw an octagon. Yes, octagon. Is this circle? The whole circle. That's the whole circle. Circle. That's the circle, and this is how we draw the circle. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.